Do you ever feel like your brain isn't as sharp as it used to be? Struggling to focus? Forgetful? Mentally tired? Well, here's the truth. You can improve your cognitive ability at any age. Whether you're 18 or 80, your brain has the power to grow, adapt, and stay strong. Today on Health Vibe, we'll explore how to maintain cognitive health and boost brain performance, backed by the latest in neuroscience. Let's dive into the habits, foods, exercises, and supplements that truly make a difference. What is cognitive health? Cognitive health is your brain's ability to think, learn, remember, and concentrate. It's the control center of everything: your decisions, your emotions, even your future. So when we talk about improving cognitive function, we're talking about improving your daily life. From memory and focus to problem solving and emotional control, it all starts with taking care of your brain. According to neuroscience research, your brain is capable of neuroplasticity, meaning it can rewire itself. That's great news! With the right steps, you can enhance your cognitive performance at any stage of life. Top habits to improve cognitive function. Let's begin with habits. These daily practices protect your brain and help it grow stronger. Number 1, get quality sleep. Sleep isn't just rest, it's brain repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep to boost memory and clear out brain toxins. Number 2, exercise daily. Even 20 minutes of walking increases blood flow to your brain. Want better focus? Get moving. Number 3, practice mindfulness or meditation. This reduces stress hormones that damage memory centers. Just 10 minutes a day can sharpen your brain. Number 4, stay mentally active. Reading improves cognitive ability. So do puzzles, learning new skills, or playing brain-training games like Sudoku or memory apps. Number 5, stay socially connected. Isolation weakens brain health. Meaningful conversations and laughter are great for cognitive performance. Foods that improve brain function. Your brain is only as sharp as the fuel you give it. So, what should you eat to improve your memory? Eat this to improve your memory. Fatty fish, rich in omega-3s for brain cell health. Blueberries, full of antioxidants that delay brain aging. Leafy greens, support memory and focus. Nuts and seeds, packed with healthy fats and vitamin E. Dark chocolate boosts blood flow and brain function, in moderation. Also, drink plenty of water. Dehydration shrinks brain performance fast. Best exercises and games for cognitive ability. Want to sharpen your brain? Physical and mental exercises go hand in hand. Physical activities: brisk walking, dance, yoga, swimming. Cognitive games: memory card matching, word puzzles, strategy games like chess, brain training apps. These activities activate different parts of the brain, improving attention span, memory power, and problem solving. Supplements and support. Let's talk about supplements, because along with healthy habits, certain nutrients may actually support your brain. But before we go any further, always check with your doctor before starting anything new. Here are some of the most talked about brain-supporting supplements. Omega-3 fish oil, known to support memory and brain cell communication. Vitamin B12, especially important if you're low in energy or have a deficiency. Ginkgo biloba may help improve blood flow to the brain. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric linked to lower brain inflammation. Lion's mane mushroom, believed to promote nerve regeneration and cognitive clarity. You'll find links to some of the top-rated options in the video description below. They won't work overnight, but with consistency, these natural supports may help improve your focus, memory, and overall cognitive performance. Bonus tips for middle age and seniors. As we age, it becomes even more important to know how to maintain cognitive health in middle age and beyond. Keep learning, take a course, or pick up a new hobby. Protect your hearing. Hearing loss is linked to cognitive decline. Limit alcohol. Quit smoking. Get regular checkups to track blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Healthy aging starts in your brain, and the sooner you start, the better. Your brain is your greatest asset, and it's never too early or too late to take care of it. At Health Vibe, we believe that a vibrant brain leads to a vibrant life. So hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips, and remember, small changes in your daily routine can lead to big improvements in your cognitive health. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, stay healthy. This is Health Vibe.